him Daniel?
Come on.
We can call him Daniel.
Yeah.
Wait, guys. Say hi. See that we here.
Come on.
I'm gonna pass the
Princess Sheep.
First, I'm gonna hand these out.
Mommy, are these all
This is
mine?
yours.
Mommy, is this all mine?
This is yours.
This is all mine. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Oh my gosh, I got glitter.
Daddy.
Can I open it?
Wait.
Sure. Emma, it looks like this stuff right here is yours.
Can I open it?
Yep.
Hey, that's not
Oh,
right.
thank you.
Oh,
And that's yours, Gianna.
I know.
I open it.
And this is for baby Nicolette, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here's for baby.
Sony.
Oh, what did Gianna get you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Like the one that she kind of had.
I can share this with Lacey. Whoa.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow, Eagles country. That's awesome.
Daddy,
Wow.